Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Mazda 3 stock on the 6519. It's ran from the 6 2006 to the 10th 2013. It has a LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch thick alloy mag bull tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 16-inch thick alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch thick alloy mag tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch thick alloy mag tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,